Hello YouTube, we're going to restore this. This is in my video of finding all them scrap metal pieces. We're going to I had it taken a little better. And here's a file. Let's take a file to it where I was already at. I said that's hard steel. I'm not a woodworker, so if I don't get this blade right when I'm done, I'm sorry. It will be filed. I won't take it to the sanding belt. I'm going to try not to. I'm going to try to get it on some sandpaper and a stone and try to bring it back to whatever angle that is. I am filthy. I cannot even find my cloth gloves. I'm out of rubber gloves. So we're going to clean this up. I say it's got to be out of a block plane. You know, the big old wooden. That's what I'm going to say it is. So that's a project for today. I'll never really need a big scraper. Maybe I'll end up chopping up, putting a handle on it. I mean, it can't have that much value. Watch me find out it was a one-of-a-kind antique, some old Stanley block plane number or whatever, after I'm done destroying it. Here we go. Let's get to work. We'll just start the steps. I'll bring it back to you after we wire brush it and after we sand it or do whatever. We're going to try to make it as clean as possible over the edge. I am going to get my fan going and I am going to work. Okay, wire brush or scrubby thing. 80 grit sandpaper, then acetone it off. So when we take it to our fiber wheels, it's not contaminated with any oil or grease. There are some deep pits. See, they show up dark. It is made in USA. It's hard to get a picture of that. I think you can see it. Off to our fiber wheels. We're going to get this as nice as we can. Well, we're done. We tried putting the angle on there with our belt sander. We did square it up on a disc sander. So you put a square on there, it's pretty squared. Better off one side than the other, which is weird. We tried getting on the sanding belt, going with it coming towards it, with it going away, getting up near the roller. It just did not work. We ended up taking this, going back and forth to get our edge freehanding it, and there's a little bit of divot in there. Can you see it? Yeah, because there's some rust in here. Then we used our sandpaper like a whetstone. You know, you do that, get up there and all that good stuff. I mean, it's just going to be a scraper. You know, we're actually scraping the plastic top of this off, or whatever's on here. That's what it's going to be. Just a big one. Something better than a putty knife. So thanks for watching. We should have plenty of photos of this thing.